Welcome to this new video where we are going to discuss what are the various topics we are going to cover in this new course. The course is all about 8 elements of piping engineering. These are the 8 elements. Let us first see what are the elements we are going to cover in this course. What is piping engineering? Oil and gas project life cycle, design basis, process interface, pipe and its various types, valve classification, flange types and details, strainer, steam traps details. So these are the broad categories which we are going to cover in this course. This can be covered in 4.5 hours and the 6 lectures are there. Let us see how this is divided into 36 lectures. If you look at the 8 sections here, which are divided further into 36 lectures, 4.5 hours content. First part is piping engineering. In this we are going to cover what is the scope of piping in piping industry, then piping components and systems, then EPC organogram, how EPC engineering, procurement and construction organogram companies are working, what is the organogram we are going to cover, then specifically piping organogram. Okay, what are the various stakeholders in piping discipline, we'll look into each and everything. Then various deliverables which piping department is going to deliver throughout the life cycle of the project, various roles and responsibilities of piping engineer, interface with various disciplines. Okay, what are the various inputs and outputs to and from piping discipline. So all these things will be covered in first part. Then project life cycle. Here what we are going to do, we are going to discuss the broad phases of any project life cycle. Okay, then we'll specifically look into the oil and gas project stages. We'll relate the complete life cycle of any project with respect to oil and gas project. Okay, right from then we'll look into detail, initiation phase in detail, planning and execution phase in detail, then closing phase in detail. So what we are going to cover is complete project life cycle right from starting conceptualization to closure commissioning phase. Okay, so all these things will be discussed in this section. Then design basis. Design basis is again a very important part for any design project. We'll cover basic definitions and it's important, various items which are there in typical design basis, various design philosophies which are commonly covered in design basis, piping deliverables, then all the clauses which are covered in design basis with respect to material and entity requirements. Then this is very important section where we are going to cover process interface with piping. Okay, so this is mentioned here also, process PFDs, fluid list, equipment list, pin IDs, line list. Okay, all these things will be covered in detail, how we are interacting with process and why it is very important. Then pipe. In this section we are going to cover the basic definition, what is pipe schedule, plastic pipe, steam tracing, jacketed, electric traced pipe, lined and FB coated pipe, pros and cons of non-metallic piping. Then we'll look into 36.10, how pipe this code is used. This is a dimensional standard for pipes, so how we are using this in piping industry, we'll look into all the clauses here. In valve section, this is going to be very important part where we are going to cover the basic definitions and its classification. Various type of isolation valve, will look into detail each and every type. Again similar details will be discussed for regulation valves, non-return valves, valve operation. Okay, here all type of valves will cover. Here we are going to cover the operation of each and every valve, while standing, while sitting, how we are going to read the instruments and everything. All layout aspects shall be covered here. So all about valves shall be covered in this section. In flange section we are going to cover various type of flanges, slip-on, socket welded, screwed, lap joint, weld neck, PT rating. Okay, these two sections are very important, three sections are very important with respect to flange. We'll look into each and every clause, how series A and B flanges are different from each other. So each and everything will be discussed in this part. Then strainer and steam traps. Here Y type, basket, T type, conical, all these strainer will be discussed, why, how we are using in piping industry with a few practical examples. So these shall be covered here. Then traps, mechanical traps, thermostatic trap, thermodynamic traps. So each and every type will be discussed for each trap in detail with the help of 3D snaps also. So this is how we are going to cover these 36 lectures in 8 sections. This course can be covered in 4.5 hours. So I'm sure this is going to be very informative course. See you in the next part.